Breathing in, I know that Mother Earth is around me and inside of me.
The potential for the disastrous rise of misplaced power exists.
And across the nation, everyone is wondering what happens next.
The military-industrial complex.
The communist bloc.
Got no time to get on my feet. Reeling from blows, some say that this is defeat. Now what does that look like? How does it taste? Who's behind that door? Who's behind that face? Way down, coming from way down, way down. It's coming from way down. Sum it up! Sum it up! Who's got the crown? Bell's about to ring. Sending special forces, they'll take care of everything. Go take some chances, 1,000,000 to 1. Got to lean together just to keep on keeping on. Way down, from way down, way down, coming from way down, not in my name. I've got to accept, splitting hairs or not, boots upon my neck. 2 million years we've walked the earth. Check it. Making progress. We're the best and we're the worst.
Despite these holocausts, America is today the strongest, the most influential, and most productive nation in the world.
Breathing in, I know I am alive.